Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to share with you guys the recent information about the Sealsend mining app, and also to show you guys how to activate your Sealsend wallet as well. But before we get into this content, I'd like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. So guys, the first update I want to share with you about the Sealsend is that the KYC process is now available on the app. So if you are mining this particular project right now, log into the app, complete your KYC, and also keep on mining the tokens and your in-app tax as well. So right now guys, the KYC comes before the token distribution, which is probably going to happen soon. So we are all expecting this to all take place within a very short span of time. So guys, I've been able to log in into my wallet account, and as you guys can see right here, my account has been activated. I was able to get ICE into my wallet, and I was able to verify my account by performing an outgoing transaction, because the transaction is very important in order for the team to verify your account. So guys, there are three ways in order for you to get ICE tokens, and I'll be showing you guys those three ways in this particular video. However, the first two ways involves you paying for the token, and the last one involves you getting it for free. So if you are watching this video, make sure you stick around to the end of the video so I can show you guys how to get your ICE tokens for free and then activate your account. Now, once you've gotten your ICE, all you have to do is open your account, unlock it by inputting your PIN, and then you have a dashboard looking like this. However, your own is going to say uninitialized in before. After you activated it, it's going to change from a pale yellow color to a green color like this, saying active. So once it says active, it means that your account is already activated. Now, in order for you to do that, all you have to do is click on this. You are going to copy your wallet address. Copy your wallet address, and after you've copied your wallet address, you click on send. Now you leave the token at ICE, then you paste that wallet address. You select any amount. You can go for 0.01, and then you put in your wallet pin. Now after you've done this, you are going to click on send, then it's going to ask you to approve the transaction. Now once you've approved the transaction, all you have to do is refresh your web page, and then you get to see your account go from uninitialized to active. That is just it. Your account has been activated. Now guys, the first two ways in which you can get your ICE token is number one, going to exchanges like KuCoin, Mexi, or Gate.io. Make use of their P2P, get USDT into your account, then you use that USDT to buy ICE token. Then once you've gotten that ICE token, you come back here, copy the wallet address, head over to the exchange you bought it, and then you send out the ICE token, and then it is going to reflect here. Then after it reflects here, you'll be able to carry out what we just did right now. And the second way is by you making use of a vendor. You can get someone to sell ICE tokens to you at a very cheap price, and all you have to do is just copy this address, make the payment to the person, and then the person will credit the ICE tokens for you. So it's just going to be a transaction between the both of you. However, make sure the person you are dealing with is someone that is very highly trusted. Now guys, the final way, which is for you to get it for free, is what I'm about to show you. Now, the final way for you to get it for free is to head over to your Twitter. Then once you've gone to your Twitter, look for the Sealsend official handle. Now, once you've gotten their official handle, you'll get to see their recent updates. Now, if you look at the most recent one that was updated about 3 hours ago, they said we've already sent activation support to 10,000 wallets. Due to overwhelming demand, we are now extending wallet activation to another 10,000 users. Now, initially, Sealsend started by giving their users free ICE tokens in order for them to activate their wallet. Now they made a form. The moment that form came out, I sent it to members of my Telegram group, and I'm sure by now most of them must have gotten their eyes token. However, if you are not able to fill that form, there's another opportunity for you. Once the second form link is available, I'll be sending it to my Telegram group. So make sure you join my Telegram group in order for you to have the link to that form so that you can get your free ICE token. Now, in filling the form, you are also going to submit your wallet address. So make sure you submit the wallet address from the Sealsend wallet, and then you paste in there with any other requirements the form asks you to do. So guys, I was also able to get my own ICE token by filling out this form. So this is a free alpha for you in order for you to get your ICE token and activate this particular account. So once the form link is available, I'll be dropping it to my Telegram channel. So if you are watching this video, join our Telegram channel in order for you to keep on receiving more important updates and crypto alphas as well. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.